Sarah Thompson's life was a whirlwind of chaos and exhaustion. As a single mother of three energetic children, Emma, 10, Liam, 8, and Sophie, 6, she felt like she was constantly running on empty. Her days were a blur of rushing to her demanding job as a marketing executive, ferrying the kids to and from school and activities, and trying to maintain some semblance of order in their modest suburban home. At 38, Sarah felt decades older. Chronic back pain had become her constant companion, making even the simplest tasks a challenge. Sleep, when it came, was fitful and unsatisfying, leaving her groggy and irritable most mornings. The stress of juggling it all had taken its toll, manifesting in frequent headaches and a persistent feeling of being overwhelmed. Their home, once a source of pride, had become another source of stress. Piles of laundry seemed to multiply overnight, dishes stacked up in the sink, and clutter accumulated in every corner. Sarah's attempts to keep up with the housework often ended in frustration and tears. She had tried to enlist the kids' help, but their half-hearted efforts usually created more mess than they solved. One particularly challenging day, as Sarah scrolled through her phone during a rare moment of quiet, an ad caught her eye: Clean Bubble Tech, transforming homes and lives with non-toxic cleaning. Intrigued and desperate for any solution, Sarah decided to give them a call. The Clean Bubble Tech team arrived the following weekend, led by a cheerful woman named Maria. As they began their work, Sarah was immediately struck by the absence of harsh chemical smells. Instead, a light, fresh scent filled the air. Maria explained that all their products were non-toxic chemicals and also made from plant-based ingredients. What happened next surprised Sarah even more. As the team cleaned, they engaged Emma, Liam, and Sophie, turning cleaning tasks into fun games. They raced to see who could dust the most picture frames in a minute, had contests to find the most creative way to fold towels, and even turned mopping into a dance party. To Sarah's amazement, her children were laughing and eager to participate. For the first time in years, she felt a glimmer of hope that maybe, just maybe, things could change. Over the next few weeks, the Clean Bubble Tech team continued to work their wonders. They not only cleaned the house to a sparkling shine, but also organized closets, decluttered spaces, and set up simple systems to maintain order. All the while, they continued to involve the children, teaching them age-appropriate cleaning skills disguised as games and challenges. Sarah noticed subtle changes in herself too. The persistent headache that had been her constant companion seemed less intense. She found herself sleeping a little better, waking up feeling slightly more refreshed. At first, she attributed it to the relief of having a clean, organized home, but as the weeks went on, she realized it might be more than that. By the third month, Sarah was astonished at the transformation in her home and family. Emma, Liam, and Sophie had taken ownership of their chores, turning them into daily competitions. Who could make their bed the neatest? Whose turn was it to be the laundry champion this week? The house remained consistently tidy with minimal effort from Sarah. It was during a routine checkup with her doctor that Sarah realized the full extent of the changes. Her chronic back pain had diminished significantly. Her sleep patterns had improved, and she was waking up feeling genuinely rested for the first time in years. Even her blood pressure, which had been creeping up over the years, had stabilized at a healthier level. Puzzled, her doctor asked what changes she had made. As Sarah recounted the past few months, mentioning the switch to non-toxic cleaning products, her doctor's eyes lit up. She explained that many conventional cleaning products contain harsh chemicals that can have cumulative effects on health, from disrupting sleep patterns to exacerbating inflammation and pain. This revelation was a turning point for Sarah. She began researching more about the impact of environmental toxins on health. She learned about the concept of toxic load, the accumulation of harmful substances in the body over time, and how reducing exposure to these toxins could allow the body to heal naturally. As the fourth month with Clean Bubble Tech came to a close, Sarah realized she no longer needed their regular services. Her home was running smoothly, with everyone pitching in to maintain the cleanliness and order. She felt a twinge of sadness at the thought of ending their regular visits, but also a surge of pride in how far they had come. In their final session, Maria from Clean Bubble Tech congratulated Sarah and her family on their progress. She offered to remain available for occasional deep cleans or as a backup if needed. Sarah gratefully accepted, knowing that having the support would help them maintain their new lifestyle. The changes in Sarah's life rippled outward. Her improved health and reduced stress levels made her more patient and present with her children. Her productivity at work increased, leading to a promotion she had long desired but never felt capable of pursuing. Eager to share her experience, Sarah began talking to other parents at her children's school about the benefits of non-toxic cleaning. She organized a neighborhood meeting where Maria from Clean Bubble Tech gave a presentation on their methods. To Sarah's delight, 10 families signed up for Clean Bubble Tech services that very night. As weeks turned into months, Sarah watched in amazement as these families underwent transformations similar to her own. Friends who had been struggling with various health issues reported improvements. Children who had been resistant to chores were now eagerly participating in cleaning games. 1 year after that first Clean Bubble Tech visit, Sarah's life was unrecognizable from before. Her home was a haven of wholeness and order. Her children were more responsible and self-reliant. Her health had improved to the point where she had taken up jogging, something she never thought possible with her former back pain. Most importantly, Sarah had discovered a passion for promoting healthier, non-toxic living. She started a blog sharing her journey and tips for creating a cleaner home environment. She even began exploring the idea of starting her own line of natural personal care products. As Sarah tucked her children into bed one night, Liam asked, "Mom, remember when our house used to be messy all the time?" Sarah smiled, remembering those chaotic days that now seemed so distant. "I do, sweetheart," she replied. "But look at us now." Indeed, look at them now. From a stressed, pain-ridden single mom drowning in chaos to a vibrant, healthy family thriving in harmony. All because of a simple choice to clean differently. Sarah's story became a testament to the profound impact that small changes can have on our lives, proving that sometimes the path to wellness begins right at home.